So today we are mounting our Baja design LP9 Pro on our CAtuned Hammerhead bumper, and I mounted one already, and on the second one I will show you how we do this and how it fits best. So as mounting brackets I use these brackets from Axia Alloys, and I think they make the most secure and best fit on the bumper. These are for 1 3/4 inch, so they will fit perfectly. So when you put these brackets on the bumper, you want to be careful on the one side. This is where your nut goes, and this is where your bolt goes. You want to make sure that you put it in a way that the nut is on the top, like this. That's the nut side, and this needs to be on the top. Otherwise, your Bajas will not fit on the bracket. So I put this through here and just screw it in a little bit so it cannot come out anymore. Do the same on the other side. So as you can see, I put the wiring for the lights already in. I figured out that this is the perfect spot to go through, so you don't have the wire hanging out here. From here it will not fit because it will be stuck on this part here. So if you go through this, it's a little bit tight, but it fits through. So that's the part where you will see the wire the least, and it's the best fit. So now we will tighten this a little bit. So I'm using my socket wrench with a 3/16, and just to get it tight a little bit. You don't want to fully tighten it yet, because we need to make sure that the Bajas fit and are in the right position. Guess we were not fully in here. Right, this is on, and now we put the Bajas on. So I have my Baja LP9 bolt. I put it already in here, and so now we just get this through here. And put on the bottom the washer and my lock nut. Now we just tighten this up. I use a 9/16. So you can make this tight right away. Because we have the bolts of the clamps still loose, so we can position the Baja now. So I think I want it a little bit more to the middle. And I also will plug it in to make sure my wire fits and has space. And we're almost there. So my Baja is in position and everything fits how it's supposed to. And now I just tighten these. All right. Everything is nice and tight. My wires are connected, and as you can see, I didn't tighten these on the side yet, so you can still move it and adjust how you want it. But for this, I will need to wait until it's dark so I can actually see where my light is going. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put in the description the links to all the tools and parts I used. And happy installing.